afternoon, everybody. My name is Jay Heller with the NASDAQ OMX Group, and we are so pleased to welcome Sarepta Therapeutics CEO Chris Garabedian. I'd like to also extend a warm welcome to members of the Sarepta management team and all our other distinguished guests at NASDAQ. We're excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get ready to ring today's closing bell. So how about a round of applause to kick things off this afternoon? Now, Sarepta has been at the forefront of some incredible research in its 15 years listed on NASDAQ. Its focus on improving and saving the lives of people affected by rare and infectious diseases can be an inspiration to all of us. By using their unique RNA-based technology to create therapeutics for serious and life-threatening genetic-based diseases, they are working to pioneer solutions to some of the world's most destructive diseases. With its recent announcement of positive 36-week clinical data in the Phase 2b study for the treatment of Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy, Sarepta continues to advance medical research and is well positioned for success in the quarters and the years to come. NASDAQ is a market of choice for progressive medical technologies like those from Sarepta Therapeutics, and Sarepta represents what it truly means to be a NASDAQ-listed company. The visionaries, the game changers, those who dream to do more. Now, please, everybody, put your hands together and help me welcome Sarepta Therapeutics CEO Chris Garabedian to the podium. Chris, come on up.
I'm very excited to be here today to ring the closing bell at the NASDAQ market site. We at Sarepta Therapeutics think it is an excellent time to celebrate what we see as a new era for the company, as we are seeing real progress in developing treatments for life-threatening, rare, and infectious diseases. NASDAQ has been the home of some of the greatest technology companies in history, and many of these companies have made a big imprint in the world. We believe our technology has the same transformative potential for the treatment of disease and the future of medicine. Sarepta is a biopharmaceutical company that has developed drug technology that can treat a variety of devastating diseases at the genetic level. Our RNA-based technology is able to treat the underlying cause of disease because it works at the genetic origin. While the technology has the potential for broad application across a number of diseases, we currently have drugs in active development for two specific applications. One program for the treatment of a rare, serious genetic disease, and the other is a drug development program targeted against lethal infectious diseases. The rare genetic disease that we are targeting with our lead development program is Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. Duchenne is the most common lethal genetic disease of children worldwide. It is 100% fatal. We completed a clinical trial earlier this year, and we showed that our drug is working at restoring the essential protein that is lacking in these patients. Furthermore, we have recently showed in a follow-up study that by restoring this essential protein, we are also producing a clinical benefit in these patients. These results demonstrate evidence that we are significantly slowing the progression of this relentless disease. This is an unprecedented advance in the area of muscular dystrophy. We have enjoyed significant support from the research community and, importantly, the patient and advocacy community. Here with me today is Pat Furlong. Pat Furlong is the founding president and CEO of Parent Project Muscular Dystrophy, the largest nonprofit organization solely focused on Duchenne muscular dystrophy. PPMD's mission is to improve the treatment, quality of life, and long-term outlook for all individuals affected with Duchenne. And Pat has spent her career providing education to healthcare providers, industry collaborators, and government regulators and legislators to help us all understand the plight of DMD patients and families. For years, Pat has supported and facilitated research in DMD, from her work on Capitol Hill to PPM's direct support of research programs. Given Pat's personal and professional experience, she lost 2 boys to DMD herself. She has established herself as a significant voice of DMD patients around the globe, and I'm proud to have her join us here today. While our drug program in Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy is our lead program, we are also developing drugs for lethal viruses to treat Ebola and Marburg hemorrhagic fever viruses. And we've showed unprecedented survival against these viruses that typically result in death within days or weeks. The progress we've seen in development of these medical countermeasures provide the potential of a platform technology that can rapidly respond to emerging infectious disease threats that may threaten communities around the globe. We at Sarepta are very excited to be in a position to apply our technology to these very threatening diseases, and we hope to continue to advance our transformational genetic-based technology to help treat diseases around the world for years to come. Thank you.